Okay, so this is Lisa, who's just done her first full day of live models. So Lisa, we've had a bit of a busy day. We've had 3 different clients come in, all different sort of things. So how was it sort of just as an overview, I suppose, of the day, actually working on your first client? So you sort of, were you nervous, you excited?
Excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't wait. Yeah, and it was just great, just sort of, talking to them and finding out what they wanted, and then just seeing the after. Yeah, it's amazing.
Brilliant. And if you can put your memory back to this morning, we had a new client we'd never seen before. She came and had some browsing. So how was it actually working on the very first client, actually touching someone's face for the first time and all that sort of stuff? Did Kate ease you in a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so, Katy was watching over me every step of the way, making sure I was holding it right, doing it in the right way. So I felt really confident. She didn't leave me for a second. Yeah. And it was just great because the lady had some correctional work and it just looked beautiful. She looked so lovely after.
Excellent. And then we had another lady in, this time for some eyeliner. Another lady we hadn't seen before. So how did you find it? Because obviously coming from a sort of recruitment background, not really touching people's eyes and stuff like that. How was it sort of working close to that sort of area?
It's fine.
Yeah?
Yes, absolutely fine. You just need a firm grip and follow what Katy says.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Perfect example of just listening to the trainer and doing what she says, and then it's not so scary. Whereas some people they get a little bit worried, but and then the last client day was an interesting one because this was actually someone that we trained about 3 years ago who used to be a full-time social worker and mum, and then she set up her own permanent makeup business. And was it good to actually see how one of our students is getting on?
Yeah. I mean, she's just loving life. She's so happy and, obviously so successful. And it was just great. And she was so nice as well, because obviously she knows what I'm feeling and going through. And she's like, oh, you're doing really well. And she was just really helpful. She said all that bit's a bit deep, lighten up a bit. And you're getting the feedback directly from the client, so it was brilliant.
And someone who's done the training, been through the process. And she'd actually, was it quite nice to see someone that come from a non-beauty background like yourself? She's gone on to be, at some stages she said she's been fully booked for like 6 days a week, doing permanent makeup full time. She's won 3 big awards in fact 4 big awards now in the last few months alone as well. And she's got a nice little studio from home that she's working from as well. So was it nice to see sort of how someone's progressed from a different industry into this one as well?
Yeah, absolutely. You can just see she's loving life.
Yeah, excellent, brilliant. Well, a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing how you finish up tomorrow.
I can't wait.
Excellent. We'll see you then, Lisa. Bye.